Want your video to go viral? Watch this video till the end for the 5 elements to increase your chances of going viral. For digital marketing tips and tricks, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you can get notified every time I post every Tuesday and Thursday. Imagine getting thousands and thousands of views on your video. That would be amazing, right? It won't happen for every single video you have, but at least you can increase your chances for it to happen for some of your videos. I've written an academic conference paper about this, and it will be published in the coming edition for Springer Publishing. Now, the first thing you need to include is the emotional element. The emotional element is what makes us human beings. This element is the strongest element for any element that you're going to add into your video. This element will help your customer or your viewer take action and actually share. Because if your customer or viewer doesn't share the video, you won't go viral. The most effective emotion based on statistics is adding in a happiness emotion or admiration emotion or a surprise emotion. These three, happiness, admiration, and surprise, are the highest rated emotions found in most viral videos. The second element you need to include is the content. Your video will not go viral if you try whatever tactics you hear on the internet if your content doesn't add value. You need to add value first, and then you'll be able to think, will this go viral or not? So start off with the value you're going to give to your customer. So knowing your exact customer and knowing what they like, what they dislike, and all of that will help your video to go viral. In this content, in this value, you need to add things like, will you help your customer to understand themselves more? Will you make them feel that they are belonging to a certain community? You make them feel connected to you. Now, I'm just curious. I really want to know what would make you share a video online. Comment below and add your insight. Now, the third element to add to your video is the video elements. Everything to do with how you set up your video will affect your virality. Based on statistics, 75% of people preferred a title that was shorter, that got to the point directly. Same thing goes with a video. People usually prefer 3 minutes or less for a video. Now, the fourth element is the external elements. So basically, everything that happens after you finish your video and you want to upload it. So what you add in your meta description, how you add in captions, and how you're going to be sharing. So after you post your video online, you need to be able to share this video on every platform so that you can increase the chances for people to make it go viral. And this will be affected based on which platform you are essentially driving traffic back to. So if you're driving traffic back to YouTube, you have 48 hours for you to go viral. Most platforms will help the video go viral in the first couple of hours. So that means if a lot of people viewed the video and if a lot of people shared the video in the first couple of hours, this will double and multiply very quickly if it's done in the first couple of hours rather than happening a week later. So it's really, really important for you to share on every platform to get everyone and all your traffic back into this video so that they can watch the video and share it. The fifth element is a trend. So you can figure out certain topics that will help you go viral based on the trends online. So for example, in the beginning of the year, you can use the trend of New Year's resolution in a way that is strategic, that is different than your competitors. You can also ride the trend wave of a certain trend that's happening in your industry. For you to identify these trends, you can use Google Trends, see the YouTube Trends section, so what's trending right now in your country, and you can just basically Google trends for 2019, for example. And you'll be able to see exactly what is trending and then create a video based on that. Now, pro tip, for you to strategically benefit from going viral, you need to add a call to action in every video you create. In every piece of content, you need to add a call to action. The reason for this is, imagine your video goes viral and you get thousands and thousands of views, but that's it. People watch your video and they leave. They don't do anything. That would suck. So always try to add a call to action to collect an email or a phone number or get them back onto your website so that you can actually nurture them so that they can later make a purchase. Another thing I want to point out, if you do use these 5 elements and the pro tip, and your video does not go viral, you will still benefit from the views that you've got Now you know what you need to include in your video so that your video will go viral. These elements can be added into your video and you can basically use them whenever you want. Now you know exactly what to add for your video to go viral. Now, if you want to read the research that I wrote, the research paper that I wrote for the conference, when it's published, click the link below and you will get notified, and I'll send you a link for when it gets published so you can read all the details of how you can go viral in an academic sense, and so that you can get the statistics and really see how this really applies to your life. If you like this video, like and comment below. Let me know what you really liked about this video, and also if you have any questions, let me know and ask me in the comments below so that I can create more content for you in the future. Also, subscribe and hit the bell icon and share this video with your friends so that they can benefit from these tips as well. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.